Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify token minting events with Covalent. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Covalent homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, type in the name of the blockchain you want to explore, such as Ethereum or Polygon. After selecting your blockchain, find the option for token minting events in the navigation menu. Click on Token Minting Events to access the relevant data. You will then see a dashboard displaying various token minting events. To verify specific token minting events, locate the Filters section on the dashboard. Use the filters to specify criteria such as date range, token address, or event type. Once you have set your desired filters, click on the Apply Filters button. The dashboard will refresh to show results that meet your criteria. Review the listed minting events, paying attention to details such as transaction IDs and timestamps. For further investigation, click on a specific event to access more in-depth information. On the Event Details page, check the minting quantities and involved addresses. To verify the token's legitimacy, compare the minting data with official sources. You can also cross-reference the minting event details on a blockchain explorer. Take note of any discrepancies and ensure the data aligns with expected values. If everything looks correct, you have successfully verified your token minting events. Now you can document your findings or share insights with others in your community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.